In this video, I will show you how you can enable noise cancelling on your AirPods or your AirPods Pro with any Android phone. Now to do this, first of all, on your Android phone, just go to Settings, then open the Bluetooth settings. Now after you open the Bluetooth settings, then just open the lid of your AirPod. And after that, you will find the signal of your AirPod on the screen. Now just tap on the name of your AirPod to pair your AirPod with your Android phone. Now just tap on pair. Now after you have completed the pairing process, now the next step is just put your AirPods in your ears. Now after you put your AirPods in your ears, now to enable noise cancelling, just tap and hold on the flat surface on your AirPod. As you can see, this is the flat surface. Now just tap and hold on this area. And after that, you will hear a sound which means that you have enabled noise cancelling. Just like that. And this is how you can enable noise cancelling on AirPods or AirPods Pro on any Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.